Friends, welcome to Knowledge Hub. And if you have not subscribed this channel till now, please subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the bell icon so that all alerts are reaching to your inbox. This channel is pertaining especially to the knowledgeable asset as well as the various subjects of NCRT books or UPSC books, and especially the people those who are preparing for an examination, any kind of examination, competitive examination. They're at the right place. Please don't forget to subscribe this particular channel, Knowledge Hub. Today we are going to talk about the passport power ranking for 2022. So in fact, passport power ranking has been declared for year 2022, and in the list you can check where your passport is standing in passport power ranking. So I'm going to explain how to read this particular report. So this site, first of all, let me tell you the basis of this passport index. So Henley passport index is quite original and accepted by a lot of countries and authorities as well. So the result has been declared for 2022. Basically, based on the number of destinations the respective passport holder can access without prior visa is the basis to declare this index. So if with you by holding your passport you can access to 52 countries, so you have some kind of ranking. If you are able to access 100 countries without taking prior visa, I mean you can just lift your passport and start traveling. So that's the way, I mean you can travel to the different countries without holding prior visa. So based on that, the power ranking has been declared and the data has been taken from IATA and research by Hanley team. So friends, to read the ranking of your passport, you need to take these three different parameters or three different columns into account. Number one talks about the rank. Minimum is the rank, best is the passport, and visa free access score, I mean 192 score. Without holding any prior visa, this passport holder person can access so many countries. So like Japan and Singapore, they are number one, so they are able to visit approximate 192 almost all countries in the world without having prior visa. So this way the rank has been declared. Rank, minimum rank, less is the rank, the best is the passport, and higher is the visa free score, best is the passport. So you can look your country here going forward and check your score and also the rank. Hereafter it will be only music behind the video.